Hey guys, welcome back to Teaching with Sierra. Today I just wanted to show you guys how you can use Loom, creating a classroom. So this is using Google, and so basically the way that you guys can see me down in this lower left hand corner, and then you're able to see the tab that I'm on. So basically what we'll do is I'm just going to go step by step to show you guys how to create a Google Classroom. So this is what I started back when COVID had hit and we ended up having to do virtual learning. And so basically, I created a classroom for our SPED kids. I'm no longer working with SPED, I'm working in first grade. So if we were ever to go virtual, we would be able to just have something maybe for like Friday or something. So basically, what you see here is just a classroom with brick walls. You have wood floors, you have a desk, you have a bookshelf, and then you have the door. Most people now are able to have their bit emojis um, added to and added as an extension. So basically, I can search my bit emoji, type in the word teacher, and then I'm gonna find one that I would love to put in here. Let's see. So I could use this one right here. So I would right click it, hit copy. And so I would use this one for like if the kids needed to join my my Google. So I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's try it again. Or it might not have. Yeah, exactly. It might not have copied it all the way. So just go back to your bit emoji and then just type in teacher again. So I would want the one of me reading the book. To be copied and pasted, which just means that I'm going to select myself right there. That way the kids can join my link if we ever needed to go virtual. So then you would select that and you would click this little button right here, which is going to link. So you will go to Zoom if that's the case. And if I wanted to go ahead and sign in, I can sign in with Google, or I could join a meeting and then just take my URL from that, paste it right here. So next, let's see. So basically what we can do is find other things that we can find. Let's see, school posters, right? Let's see, school poster. So we could, okay, so I could add in something like this where the kids could have a link to a math game. And so if I wanted to find a math game, so we could do things like, if I wanted to find like a Jack Hartman count to 100 video, you would easily just type it in. And then you could do this. It could be the 100th day of school. So what you would want to do is basically just narrow this down to the size of an actual poster in a classroom. And I could hang it up, let's just say right here. That's when I would click the link button and I can right click and paste that link. And it's going to have a link right there ready for me so that the kids can click on that when you say it's math time, if that's the case. Okay, so we want to add some books to our shelf. And so what you'll do is go to Google and you you can just find a book. So if we wanted to put The Very Hungry Caterpillar on our shelf, we can do just that by right clicking and copying it. And then of course we want to Control V and paste it. And then we want to add it to our shelf. The next thing you would do is link it with, let's see, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And you can pull up a read aloud, and then boom, a read aloud of the actual story is going to play. So you can change these out weekly. You can keep the same ones. You can add another classroom, make it totally different. So sometimes when you want to add in things like a movement break, you can add that. So there was a time where now this year we're learning more about like our zones. So what we did was added in some zones of regulation where we can easily just go to Google, type in our zones of regulation, and you can find a bunch of these, and you can pick whichever one you feel like is best. I know that most kids respond well to one like this, where it has the Disney characters from Inside Out. So then I will go find Inside Out characters sharing the Bitmojis, just like this. I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to roll back to my first grade classroom, and I'm going to put this on here. And so we can say that this is on the door as like a door poster or something for the kids when they walk in. We want to add a link to it. I can do just that. So we can do Inside Out, zones, and then you can see and you can just add certain things like this, and the kids can have their time with that. So another good thing about using the Google Classroom is that you can also include a timer. So if you want to include a timer, you can go to video, and then you're going to type in, searching by YouTube, if you wanted your kids to have the 15-minute timer, type in 15-minute, and then you're going to see a bunch of 15-minute timers come up. And of course you want to find the one that's going to appeal to the kids more. So you can do this. You can make it really small, and this will let the kids know, okay, hey, you're in this room for 15 minutes. Go ahead and push play, and then when this goes off, you know to come back to what you need to come back to for next. So I really want to share my Google Classroom that I made for special ed as well. So I am going to incorporate that onto my channel. I'm just going to end up doing that in a different video, so stay tuned for that video. But I hope that you guys enjoyed creating a first grade Google Classroom with me.